Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our NIVS home school. My dear students, I'm Sanjida Rahman. I'm going to take a science class for the student of class 7 and our today's lecture number 4. Our today's class topic is creative question number 3 from chapter 1. This question is not from your book exercise. We prepared this question and also provide you the answer. Now let's start our class. Question is microbiologists classify the microorganism into 3 kingdoms. Here is the microbial world kingdom. Number 1, kingdom 1. Here is a question mark. Kingdom 2, cell without organized nucleus, and kingdom number 3, eukaryote. Now question is, what do you mean by microorganism? Number B, what would be in question mark in the kingdom number 1? Number C, describe the structure of one of the members of the kingdom 1 in above diagram. And number D, in which kingdom bacteria is classified? Explain why. Answer A, what do you mean by microorganism? The organisms which cannot be seen with bare eyes and can only be seen through microscopes are called microorganisms or microbes. Example, virus, bacteria, fungi, etc. So, microorganisms are the organisms which we cannot see with our bare eyes and we need a microscope to see these things. They are called microorganisms. Number B, what would be in question marked in the kingdom number 1? Answer, in kingdom number 1 is named as eukaryote or acellular. These organisms are so small that they cannot be seen even under a light microscope. An electron microscope is needed to see them, such as virus. Number C, describe the structure of one of the member of kingdom number 1 in above diagram. Answer, from kingdom number 1 we will describe virus. Here is the picture of a virus. This is the T2 first virus. It is the head of the virus. Inside of the head we found DNA. There is a collarbone and it is the tail of the virus. Here tail fiber and tail. Virus cannot be seen without electronic microscope. These are the simplest organism. In virus, cell wall, plasma membrane, organized nucleus, cytoplasm, etc. are absent. So virus body is also called acellular. They are composed of only protein coating. They lose all properties of life when the protein coating and nucleic acid are gathered in another organism. They regain the properties of life, that is, they do not show any properties of life without living host or outside of living host. For that, viruses are the true parasite. Question D, in which kingdom bacteria is classified? Explain why. Answer, bacteria is in prokaryote or primitive cell. Members of this kingdom do not have well organized nucleus. Cell without organized nucleus is termed primitive cell, such as bacteria. Bacteria is non-green, unicellular, microscopic organism with primitive nucleus. The scientist Antony von Leeuwenhoek found this for the first time. Bacterial cell may be rod-shaped, round, comma-shaped or spiral. Bacteria can be classified according to their shape as follows. Answer, coccus. Rounded shaped bacteria cell are named as coccus. Number B, bacillus. These are elongated rod shaped bacteria. Number C, comma shaped like bent rod. And number 3, spirillum, spiral bacteria. My dear students, in your book, these 4 bacteria's picture is also given with their description. You will draw the picture of this bacteria also after giving this question answer. Like coccus, you draw the picture of coccus in here. Bacillus, you draw the picture of bacillus bacteria's picture in here. comma and spirillum bacteria, you also draw the comma and spirillum bacteria's picture after giving the question answer. And this is your homework for the next week. So your homework is homework number 4, CQ number 3, D with figure. I hope you can do this homework properly, and you will practice question answer at your home and submit your homework on Saturday 9 AM to 1 PM. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.